Right, the next thing we want to show you is sharing on Microsoft Word. As you can see in this document, you can see the table has intruded over the margins. And most people, what they like to do is they try to manually move the columns of the table themselves. Or they might highlight the words and change the font numbers manually. But actually, there is a faster way of doing this, and Microsoft has been keeping this a secret. Now, let me show you where it is. So first of all, just click anywhere in the table, and under Table Tools tab, you click the Layout tab options, and after that, go to the Auto Fit, and next to the Auto Fit there's an arrow, and choose Auto Fit Windows. So by doing that, the table automatically fits within the document. That really saves you lots and lots of time. Something supposedly which might take a couple of hours, and now you have finished that within seconds. And there is also an auto fit content where if you want to move the words to fit within the cells within the table, you can choose the auto fit content instead. Now, another issue which lots of people are facing is the issue of repeated headers. So you want to repeat the headers for this one in the next page. First of all, you have to highlight the header. And after that, you go to the layout options of the Table Tools and click Repeat Header Rows. And voila, you can see the headers will be repeated onto the next page. And if you want to have 3 headers repeated, you just gotta highlight 3 headers and repeat the same behavior, and clicking the repeat header rows, and 3 headers in the first page will be repeated in the next page. And another issue is sometimes, now let's say we go to the table properties, right? Let's say we choose to around. You can see on the next page, the repeated headers wouldn't be repeated. And if that happens, all we need to do is we just gotta go to the table properties and just ensure that the text wrapping is chosen as none. So these are the ways that we usually troubleshoot tables which couldn't repeat the headers. We just gotta change the table properties text wrapping to none. Now let's move to another scenario. Supposing we have a list of entities that's over here, and you just want to convert that to a table. So one of the benefits of converting a list to a table is you can utilize more of the empty spaces on the right side of the document. So let me give you an example. Let's just highlight the list over here. And we go to the Insert tab and we choose the table. And let's choose the Convert Text to Table. And we're going to specify 3 columns. And by doing that, 5 columns. And by doing that, 5 columns from the list will be created. And voila, that's the table. And you can see why this is possible, because of the you can see the table cells they are actually using these paragraph marks, right? And these paragraph marks will kind of tell Microsoft Word to distinguish the different cells altogether. Now you can always do the backwards as well to convert a table back to the list. So first of all, hide the table and go to the Table Tools Layout tab and click Convert to Text. And again, we choose the paragraph marks to tell Microsoft Word to delineate the different entities and ultimately convert them back to the list. Click the OK button, and there you are. You're back to the list. So what's most important is you can use the show hide over there, and it tells you the paragraph marks that's on the document, and that's one of the most important things that we have to reveal to ourselves, the paragraph marks. And these are important indicators that Microsoft Word picks up in order to perform certain actions like creating a table out of the list.